Hey there crew, Matt Pasalo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So as you saw in the title here, we're giving away a brand new Silhouette Cameo 3 vinyl cutter. Alright, so we're going to announce the winner on Monday, January 15th. So to enter the contest to win and have a chance of winning a brand new Silhouette Cameo 3, you got to do 3 things. You can get up to 3 entries, okay? So on our Facebook page, if you clicked on this video from our Facebook page, you're right there. If not, go to the Rhinestone World Facebook page. We need, on the actual post with this video, 500 likes, 400 comments, and 300 shares, okay? 500 likes, 400 comments, 300 shares. Either way, we're giving the Cameo away. So you're saying, well, why do we need 500 likes, 400 comments, and 300 shares? Because it's a challenge. I'm challenging you guys. Here's the challenge. Either way, I'm giving away a Silhouette Cameo 3. If we get 500 likes, 400 comments, and 300 shares, I'll give away another Silhouette Cameo 3 next week. How about that? So, the challenge is on you. 500 likes, 400 comments, 300 shares. We'll give away a Cameo 3 on January 15th, no matter what. If we hit those numbers, I'll give away another one next Monday. Alright, so as you know, a YouTube video at the Rhinestone World isn't complete without some sort of training and without some sort of coupon code, right? It's what we do. So, as you know, we just released some brand new fonts. Check out this amazing design I created right here. Check out this amazing basketball mom design with the new basketball knockout font. How about this one with the football knockout font, with the Knights, with the football leather, or this one here with the LRHS football number 23. What I'm going to do, these we just released in the last week 17 new fonts like this on the website. Those fonts through Sunday, January 14th are 65% off the retail price on the website, okay? There's a link right below this video to get to all of these fonts. The coupon code is right here, TRW release-65. That goes through Sunday. I got more sales. We're also doing, what's the material I used on these? I used our Caesar glitter heat transfer vinyl or our Easy Weed. We're doing 10% off Caesar heat transfer vinyl through Sunday as well on the website, therhinestoneworld.com. On that, you'll use this coupon code, Caesar-10, for 10% off heat transfer vinyl. You will have to do separate orders, okay? But don't worry, the fonts don't require shipping anyway. And then, we don't want you to feel bad and miss out on all the other fonts. So we're doing a 50% off all of our designs and artwork packs on the website. So for that coupon and discount, you'll use the coupon code right here, design-50. All right? So you got 3 coupon codes. You got a challenge to do a Silhouette Cameo 3 giveaway next week. But first, what I want to show you is in our software how easy it is to create a design like this. So let's go to CorelDRAW and the TRW Design Wizard real quick and show you how easy it is. Okay, so now we're over here inside CorelDRAW in the TRW Design Wizard version 4.0. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an amazing design like this one here. All right, so I have just a regular tee. Doesn't matter what font this is. Now let's just say I have my women's basketball font from the heat transfer vinyl fonts on our website. So I'm going to choose right here, TRW Basketball Lady KO, and there's the T. Now if I wanted this to be high school, maybe RHS, there I go, RHS, and there is the design. I hit 2 for 2 colors, and boom, it's ready to go. How easy is that? Control Z to go back a few steps. Now I have my T. Watch how easy this is here, okay? I'm going to get this to our size. Let's make it, I don't know, we'll go about 8 inches tall for right now. I'm going to click my 2 for 2 color. It's going to make it the 2 color font. Now, you can also do this in Silhouette Designer Edition, Make the Cut, Adobe Illustrator, all your different softwares out there as well, all right? Now, I'm going to go ahead and grab my text tool, and I'm going to do Lady Tigers. And I want Lady Tigers to go right across the middle of my design right here. I'm going to use a font called Pacifico. So I'm going to use my Pacifico font right here. And it gives kind of that cursive look right there. That looks pretty good. And now I want it to arc a little bit. So I'm going to come over to my envelope here tool, single arc. I'm going to add new, hold control and pull this node up, and it'll move both of them at the same time. Pretty awesome, right? Let's go ahead and get this centered nicely here. I'm going to say that looks pretty good there. Maybe I want to make the lady tigers a little bit bigger. So let's enlarge that out a little bit. Let's get it to about 10 inches wide. And let's get this back centered again. Looks perfect. Now watch how easy this feature is right here. This is amazing. So lady tigers, first thing I want to do is I want to weld it, okay? Because it was a cursive font, had some of those overlapped. I come over here in the wizard and I'm going to do a contour and remove shapes behind. And I'm going to do a 0.06. All I have to do is click on Lady Tigers. I'm going to click Magic Boundary, and boom, it's done. This is cut ready. It's ready to go for you. That's how easy this font is. We could throw a custom number right over here if we want, really easy. Now, they are, let's say, a red glitter. So I'm going to go to Magic Glitter. I'm going to change this to a red glitter. Now I'm going to change the outside of the T right there to, let's say, a black glitter. And then the Lady Tigers, I'm going to make that maybe the black silver glitter. So I got my 3 different colors of glitter heat transfer vinyl ready to go. Highlight my design. How much do I have in cost? No problem. Click on the little money sign right there. Check it out. 90 cents in black glitter, 72 cents in red glitter, 51 cents in black silver glitter for a total of $2.13 on this design. How easy was that? It's freaking amazing. So, Lady Tiger's ready to go. Let's throw it on a shirt. We're going to mock-ups, and I'm going to do a quick product. The product I want is a women's burnout. Save my product. The design I want is this design. Save my design. Create my mock-up, and boom, I got it on a burnout shirt. Done. Ready to send to the customer. Last thing we need to do is cut the design. No worries. Highlight it. Go to my templates in the wizard, do a vinyl overcut. I click on that. Color separated and mirrored, ready to send to your vinyl cutter. That's as easy as it gets right there. All right, so there you go. How easy was that in CorelDRAW and the TRW Design Wizard to create an awesome design like this right here? Simple, a matter of seconds. And we figured out the pricing, our exact material cost on the design so we can price it right for our customer. How amazing is that? So, you know how to create the designs now. Remember, 65% off the fonts, link below this video. Also 50% off the artwork and design packs, 10% off the Caesar heat transfer vinyl. Sale ends on Sunday, January 14th at 12 midnight Eastern Standard Time. We're giving away the Silhouette Cameo. If you haven't been on the Facebook page yet or you're not there, there's a link right below to bring you to enter this contest. 500 likes, 400 comments, 300 shares, and I will give away another one next week. Challenge is on. Do you accept it? We'll see you soon, crew. Later.